How we doing, guys? Let's take a look at Bitcoin in the markets. I may be looking to exit some positions in this video with you guys. We're up $1,600 pretty much in the last 2 days or so, based off the entries that we have here, and I'm really happy with this. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. This is the crash scenario for Bitcoin in this video, and I'm most likely going to be taking money out of the market, so I want to just muck everything up. Let's give ourselves a resistance. Let's give ourselves the best support that we can possibly find, and we'll pair these together. I want to get in here and really look at this. We are on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, taking exactly wick value high to wick value high. We potentially could be moving up here around 22,000 is where the drop zone is that I'm pretty much predicting for Bitcoin to see a stall on. But guys, we have the price for swell money flow very high up here, as well as trend exhaustion very high. I'm just doing this with you guys right now. I'm just simply looking, okay, what happened last time we were up this high? We saw ourselves, we got exactly to this point, and ended up seeing a drop back down. This is not a bad drop back down in the market, because the goal, let me explain to you guys the goal of what we're trying to accomplish here. This is about 5 to 6%. If we exit 50% of our profit right now of trades that we have open, and we buy lower, we are guaranteed to accumulate more coins than what we would have if we just held and the whole price went back down. Now, the thing I'm trying to figure out here, which you guys need to figure out too right now, if you have money in this market, is what if the price keeps going up and just skyrockets? Well, we've got another 50% in the market that we'll make money on. But I think this is a smart play right now to look to take half of our position out of the market. We're reaching this zone up here, and I'm kind of thinking that the resistance is going to play more of a factor in this right here than the ascending resistance. So I'm looking at this zone right about here. Let me turn this to green so we can all see this, okay? This zone is exactly where we're at. Well, money flow this high, I simply like to look in the past to say, okay, what are the indicators telling us? Last time we got up here, we saw a decent drop back down. I would love to exit 50%, grab this on the dip, and then ride this back up. And even if it goes down there, it doesn't matter, because we would have ended up acquiring more coins after the dip than we would have just holding. Does that make sense? Okay, well, money flow high here, trend exhaustion high as well. This obviously called the drop in the market. Trend exhaustion high here, well, money flow high, called the drop in the market. The two best indicators you guys can possibly use for crypto. You guys can snag these right now real quick. I'll do a little sales pitch for you guys. You guys are going to get $50 off this. It's the cheapest price we will ever have for our bundle pack. We ran this sale before Black Friday last year, but we will never discount our indicators below this price. So snag these in the description. These are the two best indicators for crypto. I know this. Guys, we hold the highest win rate on crypto. We're at 124 wins and only 1 loss. And we've also been using these to scalp. If we win the DOT trade, that's going to be 40% since May 18th. It's ridiculous, guys. And I literally have worked with the COO and the CMO of TradingView.com regarding indicators, and they've come to try to purchase some off of me. But we said, thank you so much, but we're going to keep them for our members. Anyways, let me get back to what I'm talking about here. Trend dashboard. We are seeing that the majority of all the retail trader indicators, RSI is bullish, stochastic bull, MACD, 50, 100 is all bullish right now. Okay. I think right now is a great time to take some money out of the market. If this goes up a little bit higher, so be it. I do think we're going to see a little bit of a move back down here pretty soon, and it could happen tomorrow. So here's what I want to do. I want to look at one more piece of evidence here. I'm kind of doing this with you guys. The S&P 500, there could be an argument that we could push up just a little bit higher here to the descending resistance, but trend exhaustion is starting to push up here to the higher section here. This didn't even get to the top red section, and it called the drop in the market here. So what I'm going to do right now, sorry, I'm making this decision live with you guys here. I don't think we should get greedy on this. I think this is a great place to look for a drop back down in the market. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this with you guys here. I'm going to actually exit 50% of all my open trades. So let me get my iPad open here, make sure I do this correctly. Bitcoin, Ethereum, 88 Mana, Doge, DOT, Shiba, and AVAX. All right, look at this. We're pushing past 21,500. We passed that quarters theory level, probably trying to push to 22,000, but this resistance is sitting right here. Take a look at the depth chart. Let's pull this back a little bit. This could go up a little bit further, but I don't want to be the guy that gets greedy. So we're going to be the person that we're going to take some profit in here. We're going to take some profit and let the market do what it wants to do. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go Bitcoin. We're going to go to sell. We're going to do max, and then we're going to do half of this. So I'm going to get my calculator out to make sure I do all this correctly, and I'll just do this in front of you guys so you can see this. For all of our members, 0.1188 divided by 2 equals 0.059. 0.059. Okay, and we're just going to sell half. So we're going to do a sell order right now. Okay, we're going to go to the next one. We're going to go to Ethereum, and we're going to sell 50% of Ethereum. So we're going to do a sell max. So 2.15, half of that is 1.8. Yeah, we'll call it 1.8, close enough. 1.8. We're going to sell half of that right now at a sell. We're going to sell that. Awesome. The next one is ADA, USD. The maximum amount we have in here is a total of 5,000, so we're going to sell 2,500, and we're going to sell that right now, and boom, there we go. We're going to come over here. We're going to look at mana now because we've definitely got some mana. We're going to go max. Half of this is going to be 2,719 divided by 2 is 1,359. 1,359. Make sure I have this correct. We're going to sell this, and we're going to come back over here. Let's go to mana. Let's go back over to Doge. Let's take the max of this, 34887. 34887 divided by 2, 17,443. 17,443. Okay. We're going to do a sell right now on Doge. And let's come over. We just got a couple more left. We got DOT, so I'm going to be selling DOT. The maximum amount I have in here is 333, so we're going to be exiting. I should probably be able to do this in my head, but just to make sure I don't mess something up because of the pressure of trying to record a video at the same time, let's do the math on it, 166. And then we just have 2 more. We're going to sell SHIB right now, and we're going to take the maximum amount of this. This is where it gets a little bit more difficult. We've got 228725209. So we should be selling about, we should only have about 1,250 left. So divided by 2, we're looking at 114362604. Cool, that's perfect. We're going to sell that. And we're going to come back over here, and we're going to do AVAX as our last coin that we're going to sell some off. And again, we're only do 50%, because if this market just goes straight up from here, I don't want to miss out. But I do think there's a high correlation right now with all of our metrics and indicators right now, even the videos I showed you guys this morning. I do think this is due for a move back down. So I'm just going to place my money in my mouth where my money is. Yeah, and where my metrics are. So there we go, guys. Let's put some horizontal lines on here so we can tell exactly when we exit out of these, just because I think that would be fun. Let's put a horizontal line here, and let's put a horizontal line there. This will be fun to just track to see how well we actually timed this. Like, I think this is way overbought here. So this is where I definitely think we can at least, what I'm going to be doing, I'll call this out in the group for you guys. Like, look at this. Look at DOT, like almost getting ready to hit that 4% profit there. So I definitely want to be watching this. Oops, sorry, guys. So we'll go from here, do horizontal, and then let me just mock these other 2 up here real quick so we can see where we're at. Resistances definitely getting close to being hit, as well as resistances here. So that's what it looks like. Let me give you guys an overview of the portfolio now. 1,700, it's looking great. We basically took $1,700 and we divide this by 2. We've got about $850 in cash. Actually, we'll just look right here. How much do we have? Let's do this. We've got a lot of money in buy limits right now, but I'll figure out where my buying power is, because I'm pretty sure we're down to basically $850 of buying power, right around that amount. So I'll calculate that, because what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to actually take, here's exactly how we can find out how much money we have left to put in the market. Come back over here, go like this, and then we're going to go to, this doesn't matter. We're going to go here and we're just going to do max. So we've got a total of, we've actually got quite a bit. Oh, that's right, because we sold 50% of all of the positions that are open right now. Okay, cool. So we have about $11,000 that we have that we can enter back into the market. So what I'm going to do for you guys, all of you guys who are members, so if you guys want to be a member of this, make sure you guys have a membership here, because I'll call this out in Telegram, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to be entering back in with all that $11,000. I'm going to be splitting it equally amongst all the 8 coins when we get to another drop zone. And the next spot I'm looking for is when trend exhaustion is down here. If this works out, guys, and this thing actually drops, probably back down to this support here, like, this is going to be absolutely awesome, because we're going to acquire so many more coins than what we had before, because we sold in the profit here. I think this is a really good plan, so I'll release this to you guys right now so you have this. Make sure you guys do get the indicators to watch this. We are up in the price tomorrow at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so snag those, get the membership, guys, follow along, and I'll keep everyone updated in Telegram. I love you guys. God bless you. Have an amazing day, and I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Subscribe if you guys want more of these. All right, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.